Dog, what is she doing?
Carmen.
She's a crazy little girl.
You're a naughty dog.
She's a good girl. Oh, she wants to jump into the water.
No.
Honey. Oh, she's not coming back.
Carmen!
Carmen! Carmen! What a naughty. What can we do?
She'll come back.
It's just sort of a meditation. And as you walk out, you let your mind kind of free float. You kind of get a solution.
Oh?
Yeah, it's
Hey, this way! Come on! Come on!